Search for ToursAssist.com and log in using the email ID and password provided by our team. Welcome to your dashboard. From here, you can access all major booking modules, including flights, hotels, transfers, holiday packages, curated packages, staycations, attractions, global visas, and Umrah packages. On the top menu, you'll also find additional account options such as profile, reports, payments, and settings. Now let's explore the curated packages section. This module gives you ready-made itineraries that you can instantly customize and sell to your customers without the hassle of creating packages from scratch. And as you can see, there are plenty of itineraries available, making it easy to find one that matches your customers' requirements. Let's take Bali as an example. Simply search for Bali, open the itinerary, and click on Book this package. Now select your client's travel date, number of adults, number of children, and enter the children's age. Then, click on Continue to Package Builder. Here, you can see the complete day-wise itinerary already prepared for you. Day 1 includes the arrival transfer, followed by activities and sightseeing planned across the upcoming days. As you continue scrolling, you can view all remaining day-wise services, activities, sightseeing tours, transfers, and planned experiences already arranged inside the itinerary, making package creation extremely fast and convenient for your sales team. You can also fully customize this package at any time by adding or removing hotels, activities, transfers, sightseeing tours, or any other service according to your customer's requirements. Please note that all ready-made itineraries are initially provided without hotels because hotel availability and pricing are dynamic. So now, let's add a hotel. Click on the hotel section for Day 1. Select your preferred star rating, refundable or non-refundable option, meal plan, and then click on Search. The system will now fetch live hotel availability for you. Within a few seconds, you'll receive multiple hotel options with live pricing and availability, allowing you to quickly choose the best option based on your customer's budget and preference. Choose your preferred hotel, select the room type, and click on Add Hotel. And just like that, the hotel is now added to the itinerary and your package is fully prepared and ready to share with your customer. Next, select a reminder date and save the package by entering a quotation name for your future reference. You are now on the package summary page. At this stage, the package remains in draft status. It is neither booked nor on hold. Now simply add your profit, either as a percentage or a flat amount. Finally, share the quotation instantly with your customer through WhatsApp or generate a professional PDF. To personalize your documents, simply go to the Profile section and upload your company logo. Once uploaded, all quotations as well as invoices will automatically be generated with your company branding and logo, giving your business a highly professional presentation in front of your customers. Thank you for your time and attention.